Hello, welcome to Elif's Kitchen. Today I want to share with you one of the famous delicacies of our Antakya region. The king of stuffed vegetables, which is the Shih Al Mahshi recipe. To be notified of my new recipes, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and turn on notifications by pressing the bell icon. I have 1 kilogram of small zucchini. I cut off their tops. Using the ridged part of my peeler, I peel the skin of my zucchinis. As you can see, I also create striped patterns. After peeling all the zucchinis, I washed them thoroughly again. Not from the stem end, but from the other side. I hollow out the zucchinis. I will hollow them out so they are not too thin. Yes, this much is enough, as you can see. After hollowing out all the zucchinis, I washed them again. I arrange them on a plate lined with paper towels and let them dry a bit, so they don't splatter when frying. Then, I fry the zucchinis in hot oil. I fry them until all sides are lightly pink. Draining their oil well, I transfer them to a plate lined with paper towels. I leave them to cool. Meanwhile, I will prepare my filling. I've taken about 3 tablespoons of oil into my pan. I added about 250 grams of minced meat on top. I will sauté my minced meat for a few minutes. I stir constantly at this stage to prevent it from clumping. See, the minced meat has released its juices. I continue sautéing until the released juices are absorbed. Then, I chopped 1 large onion into small pieces and added it in. I sprinkle enough salt and black pepper. I sauté my minced meat for a few minutes over medium heat. My minced meat is ready. I removed it from the stove. I peel the skin off 1 teacup of boiled chickpeas and then halve them. I add the prepared chickpeas to the minced meat and mix well. Now I will stuff my zucchinis. Look, as you can see in the video, I fill the zucchinis with my stuffing, pushing it in with my finger. I try to stuff them tightly. I stuffed my zucchinis and placed them in my pan. I am preparing the sauce, approximately 1 level tablespoon of tomato paste. I added a pinch of salt. I add 1 glass of water over it, stirring until the tomato paste dissolves. I pour it over the zucchinis. I placed it on the stove and covered it. After it boils, I cook it on low heat for about half an hour in this way. Look, at the end of half an hour, my Shih Al Mahshi is cooked. I serve it by pouring garlicky yogurt over it. You can serve it with pilaf. If you don't like yogurt, you can also consume it without yogurt. I definitely recommend you try it. Good luck and bon appetit to those who will try it. I await your likes and comments. Thank you for watching my video.